Hey everybody, and welcome to another HowTech video tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how to create a print ad in Word. Before we begin, please support us by clicking that subscribe button and turning on those bell notifications. Let's get started. So there's an infinity of possibilities that you could create for advertisements depending on what you're advertising and what you want to go for. But a good way to start is to open up the File tab and hit New. And you won't find anything if you just type in advertisement, but they do have flyers. Go ahead and search that. You know, you got party invitations, you got some sports tournaments, there's a lawnmower for sale, and it's got some nice little contact information on little tabs here if you want that. That's pretty neat. Got some events, winter parties, dog walking event. And you just go through and you find something that would work for you, and then you just edit it however you like. So we can keep scrolling if we wanted to, but I think I'll just go ahead and go with this one right here. Just double click it to create it. And the event name, maybe you're having a garage sale, or you're selling a car, whatever you want. And for the subheading, you know, maybe just the date. I believe that is a Saturday. And you can have the time here as well. You know, maybe 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Something like that. Just edit it however you want. Throw some details in here. What are you selling at your garage sale? You got phone numbers if you want, or you can just remove these. You got telephone here, email. And if you wanted a different picture in the background, I believe that isn't the background. I believe that's part of the header. Yeah, so if you wanted a different picture, you'd have to Ctrl+A, select all that while you're in the header, and delete it. And then it looks pretty weird without the picture. You go to the Design tab and you can go ahead and change the page color. Maybe something like that, or go to Fill Effects down here and put in your own picture, maybe just a garage with some stuff you're selling, texture pattern, but that should work just like that. This has been a HowTech video tutorial. Please like, subscribe, comment, and thank you for watching.